this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks. Today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. So you might be asking, where is my cabin air filter? Well, it's behind your glove box. So first you're going to need to open it up. Next you'll need to remove these two tabs, one on each side. You'll do that by prying up on it as you simultaneously lift the glove box. And that pops out. We'll do the same thing on the other side. To remove the cover, you'll need to pop the tab on either side of the filter cover. And then you'll need to pop this final middle tab off, which may require a screwdriver. So I popped that middle tab easily with a screwdriver. It's kind of difficult to do with your hand. And that folds down. Alright, and I can already see that this filter is long due. Now we'll just clean out the leaves and junk where the filter was before we put the new one in. Alright, so I'm going to be replacing it with this carbon air filter from AC Delco. The link to purchase this will be in the description below. Now we can put the new filter in. So you want the arrows on your filter to be pointing down, and you just slide it right in. Finally, you just close the cover, snap that middle part in on both sides. Alright, now we can put the tabs back on to the glove compartment. So first we'll retrieve our little cord and put it back through this hole. Alright, so I got that back through. Now we've got our two little pieces, and all you have to do is stick this cylindrical part into the hole and stick the square part in, push it forward, and then it falls back in. And the same for this other side. We'll push the glove compartment in some. We'll dip this front end into the hole and then slide it back into place. Push it in. Slide it forward. And it locks. Alright, there you go. You can put all your junk back into your glove compartment and close it back up again, and that is how you replace your cabin air filter on a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze.